Have you ever wondered why mastering preclinical pharmacology is a game changer for your medical career? Imagine confidently understanding drug actions before they even reach clinical trials. This is exactly what the Preclinical Pharmacology Review 2023 offers. In just 3 minutes, let's break down the essentials that every medical, pharmacy, nursing, and allied health student must know. Preclinical pharmacology is the foundation of how drugs interact with the body, covering pharmacodynamics, how drugs affect cells and tissues, and pharmacokinetics, which explains how the body absorbs, distributes, metabolizes, and eliminates medications. This review distills complex mechanisms into clear, practical insights, such as receptor binding, dose-response relationships, and metabolism pathways, all crucial for predicting drug efficacy and safety. For example, understanding enzyme inhibition helps you anticipate drug interactions that could impact patient care. The 2023 edition updates you on the latest models and experimental methods, ensuring you stay ahead in your studies and clinical reasoning. Imagine having a high-quality PDF that compiles all these concepts in one place, perfectly tailored for your exams and practical applications. Don't miss out on this comprehensive resource designed to boost your confidence and performance. If you want the full detailed review and exclusive content, click the link in the description to get your complete PDF now. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your classmates to help everyone excel together. Unlock your potential in pharmacology today. Your future patients will thank you for it.